today I want to show you these super cool MC4 connector tools. You get them in a pair of two. They are extremely useful for MC4 connectors. The very first thing they do is when an MC4 connector goes together, these two clips lock in. So in order to get them apart, you use this little blue tool and you just like that. And then the MC4 comes apart. Okay, and the other super cool thing they're useful for is when you are working on the MC4 connector and you need to tighten this part back up. You just roll that on like that, and that allows you to snug right up on it like that. And the other part of it is you can put the tool through the middle like that. If one's really snug or tight, you want to get it tightened, you can do that, or you loosen it up like that. But anyway, get you a set of these little MC4 connector tools. You're going to need them working with MC4 connectors.